What's up, YouTube? You already know what's going down, man. You know what I'm saying? I got something to show you. Got another bike for y'all. $250 or $450? Man, this bitch big. This says it's $250. This bitch big, y'all. So you know, did a little minor work, not much. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we gonna do it. We're gonna check everything and see if we got the pressure. Yeah, the motor ain't locked up. Y'all see that, you know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, YouTube. When you see me again, this bitch gonna be running. Yeah, y'all see it though. You know what I'm saying? 2-stroke, 250, Yamaha. It feel like it got some work into it. I ain't gonna lie. Say what's up to YouTube, bitch. Yeah. Oh, y'all see that? F&M pipe. So you know, I'm about to break the bike down, take all the fenders off and stuff. That's where we gonna start at first. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's gonna go down. But yeah, you know, today Easter. I got the family out here, you heard me? Got all my people with me, like Webby say. Got my people with me. Got my people with me.
To get some gas.
You said what? What you say?
To get some gas, nigga.
Yeah, what you said though?
Yeah, man. What's up, Tajay? You wanna say something on my YouTube, man? You already know,
YouTube.
man. Shot my YouTube
Hey,
out here.
Wheelie King track, man.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hey, where everybody going? Got red right there.
Who Jack? Who Jack with?
You sprayed it, you added out good, huh? Look, put some gas in there, shake it up and pour that little gas out. 93. 93. 95. You know, the year you were born in. What's up, YouTube? You already know what's going down. You know what I'm saying? I took most of the bike apart. As I was taking it apart, I looked at this filter. I don't know if it's a cleanable filter, but I'm gonna clean it like how I cleaned mine. And we're gonna see where it go from there. I'm going to go in this top end and see if the piston blowed. Just to make sure. And you see right there, I got a couple bolts to tighten. Then I gotta see where this leak at coming from this radiator. And from there, we'll see what happens after that. I'm game. Yeah, so YouTube, you know what I'm saying? This is what we're gonna do, like I was just telling y'all. I'm gonna spray some of this on there, you know what I'm saying? Let it sit for about 3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what it do from there. Let's go.
250, you want 5? Perk, one. In that bitch. That bitch don't need no motor. That bitch don't need a motor. I tell you, you know that bitch gonna jump off the ground track on that bitch, boy. Get your hating ass on, dude. I'm finna be out there. Food done? Alright, I'm finna come out there.
Sam, you too, as you see, man. Look, man, I done broke the motor down. Is the problem? Clutch cable broke, man.
Oh man,
About the clutch.
regular person.
Shit, you can't go nowhere. Now that we can check the whole bike and see what's wrong with it, you know what I'm saying? Everything seems to be good, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I done put everything, most of the stuff back together, you know what I'm saying? So now, just put the whole bike back together and crank it. What's up, YouTube? We back. And you already know, like I told y'all, shit, next time y'all see this bike or hear it, it's gonna be chrome. I got most of it put back together. You hear me? All of it put back together, yeah. Gas leak. Try it again. See what she gonna do. See if we can hand crank it. But yeah, you see it? You thought I was playing.